your thing, because you were VRing. Hey, what's up, guys?
Yeah, I don't do this.
What's up, guys? Subscribe, like, comment. Slime Rancher. What you don't do? What? Don't do what? No, but you were on VR, so it changes the mic and stuff. Okay. All right.
You want me to check?
You should definitely check.
It doesn't change on OBS, so I have to set it.
Okay.
And I can check right now. And it's on real
Yeah, it doesn't hurt to check. Yeah, I know. I'm just saying, it doesn't hurt to check.
I already did them. Penny slow.
There we go. Collect these. Chickadoos. Alright. Let's give these. Wait, the honey is vegetables, right? Q-berries, right? So you can shit out a lot of floors. Okay, yeah.
And you can get it, and how much it is will give you that amount of money then.
What is it? Okay, the boom slimes. Oh shit, they also eat Q-berries, huh? Phosphorus?
Eating the honey wrong.
Why?
These are so
You said so.
Okay, I didn't hear you correctly.
So pogo fruit?
Yes.
Well, they were eating it. They ate the Q-berries.
Yeah, but if it's going to be
Their diet? That's their diet?
I just like eat slime.
And so these pogo, oh, these are Q-berries for the phosphor, and carrots for these guys. Man, we need more rock slimes. There's way too much food.
Daddy, now we're not feeding the honeycomb favorite fruit. Now we're feeding them their favorite fruit.
What? We don't have mangoes.
No, we do have.
Where? You got a tree? Mango?
Yeah. I traded it out for
Just now?
because we don't have any pink slime, so why do we need it? We have to feed the rest of it now. Well, that's a lot.
Yes, always when I'm in the action, there's a lot. And we need chickens for these guys.
Look at this, I'm upgrading our farms, all our farms.
Alright. We need chickens for these guys. And these guys. I made some blorts. More rock slime. Where are you, Buffalo?
Buffalo chicken! Buffalo chicken!
Where are you hiding? More chicken hiding. Chicken.
Really?
Yeah, I got 4 floors out of them.
We don't really need that for
Yeah, I know. But until we get something to put in there, leave them. Right? I mean, what do we have to put in there?
You can get hunter slime.
Alright, let's go get them then, and then take them out. When we get them.
We can go rat slime. Rat slime, right? Wait, one of these rock slimes in here?
Boom rock slime?
Yeah.
Oh, so we have these rock slimes right here.
No, making them into cargo. There we go, we got cargo.
I don't want to suck it up. Don't suck up the quartz. That's a first. What the hell? Yeah, it's working now. Boom slime. Pogo fruit. So pogo fruit we can give to the honey. Right? For now.
Yeah. Till the big mango.
Well, yeah. What did the chicks eat? The chickens? They eat nothing. Oh, moly. What is that?
High wall, the high wall is keeping chickens in spring grass.
Yeah.
Spring grass attracts little bugs that chickens should love eating. When their beaks full, hens will produce eggs twice as fast.
Oh, phosphor.
Vanamizer, the very last in Dan's poultry tech, the Vanamizer backs chickens with beta rays, allowing them to grow to healthy hens and roosters twice as fast. Well, now what? And that. Daddy, you know what is not cool?
What?
What I thought was not cool is that you have to get the secret files every time, but you don't. Tabby.
Tasha. Where are you? Here, stay there. Oh, you're right there? On the bridge? What bridge? Oh, you're right here.
Oh!
There's a stony hen.
Let me just get this out.
Want the stony hen?
So I think we should save up for the lab now. Let's save up for the lab, right?
For a lab? Yeah. Sure. Do we need more honey?
No.
Then what are we doing over here?
No. I know what we're doing over here.
What?
Making sure Cardo eats slime.
Making sure what?
Cardo eats slime. Oh, getting hunter slime.
Hunter slimes? What are they? What are they? What color? Get it! Wow, again? Do it!
What's the play, huh? Right when we were recording the video,
Huh?
what's the plan to watch the worst time?
I know.
See the video.
What? Where? Where'd you go? Okay, wait. Behind you? Let's see. Where are you? Oh, down there. Okay. Shoot, I take. Oh, boom. We don't need the boom. Alright. That way? No. Okay, now it is. Ah! Thought we were going up there.
Which hunter slimes are rare, so best way to find them is here.
Hunters?
You usually see them over here.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow! There you go, wow.
Wow.
Okay, hold on. Shadow. Alright, I got you. Gonna. Tell me when you see one. There's another way to go over here, huh? What is this? Secret Styles. Cheshire? What? Cheshire. Cheshire.
I call it Chester. Oh, Chester cat.
Chester's with a T.
Chester cat.
Chest higher. It's like higher. I don't know. Chester. Chester. Okay. Chest.
Cat with the stripes.
Oh yeah.
That's what it's called.
Cool.
Let's see beside.
Call the cat with the stripes. This pot is locked.
Oh, found it! Found it!
Found one? What does he look like? Oh,
He looks like this.
yeah. Oh, he disappears. From Ortiz? What is that?
Oh, it's a
It's a ranger.
Yeah, it's hard to be. It's just started. And that like gives you this tree, you know. Oh gee! Barrels! Oh gee, I gotta think of like where are you?
I'm on top. I already ran this way. Where'd you go?
Oh,
Huh?
yeah.
Where I am?
No,
Wait. Oh. Which way? Oh, I land back. Hold on. Gotta keep hitting real fast. Okay.
go across.
This way?
Yeah.
Which way? Up there?
No.
Down there? Down there?
Yeah. Yeah, but turn around. Woo!
Down there?
Woo! Yeah, down there. And then go that way.
And that way?
Yeah.
Well, we were here.
We were here?
I think. Yeah. Oh, I died here.
Oh.
Yeah.
There we go.
Whoa! What are those? Those are our slime. Yeah, hunter. We can't get there. They're too big, right?
Why is there thousands of them?
Why are they so big?
Because they're larval.
I can't collect them.
Yeah, because they're larval. You can't collect your
Largos?
larval. Yeah, larval.
So everything turns into a largo?
Yeah.
Oh my god, there are largos everywhere.
You don't have to cheat. Can we put in the cheat?
Yeah. What do you want to do with cheats? Huh?
Okay, guys. If you're gonna go enable the cheats, you're gonna have to go enable the cheats on yours.
What? So that means we gotta get out? The whole thing?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to kill the video. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll do part 2. Subscribe, like, comment. Bye.